नजर आती
I'm Academy Senior Under Officer Abdullah bin Tariq from 147th PMA Long Course, and I hail from Rajaya, Aptabad. 29th April 2023 will remain an unforgettable day for me, as I have been awarded with the prestigious Sword of Honor for being the overall best cadet of my course. Inshallah, in the future I'll work with the same zeal and enthusiasm. I'm Battalion Senior Under Officer Ali Amir from 147th PMA Long Course. Hard work and consistency are two aspects which I've kept before me during my training at Pakistan Military Academy. I, Battalion Sports Sergeant Dayananda from Sri Lanka, have undergone training with 147 PMA Long Course at Pakistan Military Academy. It's a great honor for me to receive this award and represent my country in Pakistan. After spending 2 years, I can surely say that it is through exceptional training and grooming I received from Pakistan Military Academy, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, our brotherly countries having rich history and glorious future.
I am Course Under Officer Adnan from 13th Mujahid Course. Alhamdulillah, today I have been awarded with the Chief of Army Staff Kane for being the overall best cadet of my course. Pakistan Military Academy plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and security of our country by training the future leaders of Pakistan Army.
I am Course Under Officer Adil from Integrated Course 66, and I have the honor of being awarded with the Commandant's Cane. It has not only transformed me as a person, it has also given me a true sense of purpose, that is to serve my country in the best possible manner.
I'm Course Sergeant Major Fatma from Lady Cadet Course 21. Our journey here at the Academy has aptly enabled us to shoulder the responsibility to defend our beloved Pakistan, for which we are ready to make any sacrifice.
I'm Course Officer Salman Khan from Basic Military Training Course 6. Today I've been honored to receive the Commandant's Cane for being the overall best cadet of my course. Besides the hard work and dedication, this honor has been conferred upon me due to Allah's Almighty's blessing, prayers of my parents and efforts of my faculty.
I am Senior Under Officer Durjis and Iraq Cadet passed out with 147 course. I had a very memorable experience during my tenure in Pakistan Military Academy. Coming from broadly Muslim country, my experience with Pakistan Army has been that of a brotherhood and long-lasting friendship.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Jintuin Cadet Ibrahim from Palestine. It's a matter of honor for me to graduate from Pakistan Military Academy with 147 Long Course. Pakistan Military Academy was a platform that has helped in grooming my personality as an officer.
I'm GC Abdulaziz from Qatar. I have graduated as part of 147 Long Course from Pakistan Military Academy. I'm very honored and grateful to be part of this journey at PMA. I'm thankful to my beloved country for giving me this opportunity.